railroad fan.
You're what?
I'm a big rail fan.
Rail
And
fan.
I very much like train.
Well, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Never done this before?
Yes, but on the EP Ripley. This is my first time on the CK Holliday. You're testing the firing valve to make more steam.
Is that what I was doing? I don't know. This is our first day on the job. I really don't know.
But this is your first day as the fireman?
First day on the job, yeah. And this is first day also.
He's also the
This
engineer?
is a clock, right?
No, this is the steam gauge.
Clock. Okay, that's the clock.
That's the brake.
Okay, so it's just going on about 10:30 then, looks like. Well, they keep stuff in here too.
I know
right?
this is the fire. It's a steam train.
Why is that on fire in there? That looks dangerous. Alright. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Big steam leak. It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel?
Yes, fireman.
You're a fireman?
No, you are a fireman. I am a student. A high school student.
Where at? Israel. Oh, in Israel?
Israel.
Oh. Do they have any steam locomotives over there?
No, there's just one in the museum in Haifa, number 10, but she's not running. It's 100% diesel there now, and it's going to be electric soon.
Such as progress.
So, steam is, this here it's 100% steam, right?
This here?
Here is 100% steam.
Till the end of the month, and they're switching them over.
What?
They're gonna be wind up after that.
What happened?
All the engines gonna be big wind up. They're gonna get rid of the steam.
What?
Wind them up.
We are getting rid of steam or not?
Yeah, they're all going.
Why?
Well,
Why are you
they're too hot.
Are you? Is it true? Is it true? No? Thanks.
I'm kidding with you.
Just kidding, because steam is the attraction.
Okay, be all right. What's your name?
Itai. What's your name?
Katai. What's your name?
What's your name?
Katai. What's your name?
Itai.
Me too. That's his name. My name's Remy.
Ah, what's the engineer's name?
I don't know. I don't know him. I don't like him. I don't like talking to him. Damn. You'd be happy. You'd be better off not talking to him either. He's no good. He's trouble. He's nothing but
You are
trouble.
a very funny crew. What are the grades like at the Disneyland Railroad?
What?
The grades. We're going up
Well,
and
there's
down.
below average. There's E for effort. You know how many grades? We really don't really grade.
No, we are, what, it's almost 11?
Pretty much, yeah.
The steepest grade is before Toontown, right?
Going into Tomorrowland, you get kind of a grade there also.
Okay.
They level out that one going into Toontown though. There is one there, but not nearly as much as it used to be.
Up, can I? So it will remain steam.
I've got them right in here with me. I'll be right back.
What happens, engineer?
I can.
Then why is he leaving the train?
Hand me that cup, please. They're going to take us off. I I think. We're giving us a break.
Oh, okay. I didn't know it was break.
He's going on a break, the engineer?
I guess so. It probably looks like we're going to be going on lunch here.
No, it's Frontierland Station. The freight house turned into the break room.
That's correct. And inside there is a bowling alley and tennis court and a lot bigger than it looks.
Okay. So it will remain steam forever?
Okay. You have fun. See you later.
Remy?
All right.
Bye-bye.
This is it.
Hi, who are you? What's your name?
Ed.
Ed? You are the engineer or the fireman?
I'm the fireman right now.
And Norm is the engineer.
Yes. How are you doing today?
I am fine. How are you, guy?
Good.
Good. What's your name again?
Itai. I am Itai.
Hi.
Yes.
What? Where you from?
Israel.
Israel. All right.
Vacation.
Vacation.
Wow, they've used a lot of oil up north. A lot of oil already.
What happens? You need to refill the hydrostatic lubricator?
Yeah, I just said it. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you know a little bit about trains, huh?
Yes, I know. I can tell you a little bit. Norm is pulling the throttle a little
That's
bit.
right.
He's just in the steam down, putting steam in the center. You are giving her more fuel and now more atomizer.
Building the fire up a little bit. My pressure up there, I want it.
The steam gauge. Do you have any speed limit on the Disneyland Railroad?
Only because of what the spiel in the cars, what you hear.
Like the speed in the cars, though?
Along here it's 17, we'll probably do about 15.
No, thank you for the shave and the haircut.
There you go. Sometimes they don't answer us.
So this is the steepest grade of the line. Well, what's the steepest grade on the Disneyland Railroad?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
What is it? Are we going to the steepest grade of the line now?
Yeah, we're going along.
Which locomotive is your favorite?
Well, we don't really have favorites. They're all about the same. What about the same? They can have good days and bad days, so it all depends how
Is
it's
it a
going.
good day today or a bad day for you?
Well, we're giving these guys a break, so this is the first time we've been on her. So we don't know how she's running. If we start running, seems to be okay.
I heard that the ghost bell ringing is in number 3. Why it happened here?
I'm gonna add water to the boiler now. I'm gonna open
I
this
know,
valve.
water valve, you check it, and now steam valve.
Right.
Because water is very important for steam.
It's very important. The most important thing.
Awesome stuff. You adjusted the blower right now.
Yeah.
So where are you from in Israel?
Rehavet.
Where?
Rehavet.
Oh, okay.
How long are you operating the trains here?
I've been here almost 13 years.
13 years? Wow, this was when there were the observation platforms at Tomorrowland and New Orleans back then. Or were they removed when you joined the crew?
No, I don't think it was. The observation platform up in New Orleans?
Yes, it was once an observation platform, I know.
Upstairs, you mean?
Yes,
The one upstairs above
I know.
the gallery?
Yes.
Right there? Yeah, it was there.
What's your favorite locomotive? Which locomotive is your favorite?
The one that's my favorite is being overhauled now. It's not here.
Ernest Desmas.
It's number 4.
Okay, I can understand. She is powerful, but she is very bouncy, I was told.
This one right here?
No, number 4.
Number 4, yeah.
This one, I was told she is fun to operate, but the cab is small.
Yeah, number 1 and number 2 have small cab.
I know, but they have cabride seats.
Right.
Get
One
pretty
engine.
hot.
One engine, one engine.
Yeah, they get pretty hot. Sorry.
Okay.
Number 4 is going to have a cabride seat.
Okay, that's good. When will number 3 and 5 have?
3 is out now.
3 is out, 2 will be coming out, I think. I don't know. Well, I think 2 and 5, 3 and 5 are coming out. Or 3 and 3 and 2. 5 wasn't out yesterday, so I don't expect it to be out today.
No, I know. Today you have 1 and 3.
And 2 will be out. But it should be out now.
Nice. 2 is my favorite. But I'm falling in love with 1 now.
And number 4 is supposed to be back end of August from rehab.
August?
So we'll see.
So when she's coming back, there is another cabride seat.
Supposed to be. We'll see when it gets here.
No, I know you don't know.
We have a team up there right now checking on the progress. They're up in Central California having
okay.
it done.
That was the air pump.
The air compressor, yeah.
Who's controlling it? Is there the governor on this
2
field?
governors right up here.
Here? Okay.
One for when it gets low, one to shut it off.
I know. One is the brake pipe, one is the main reservoir in railroad terms.
What's that?
Main reservoir. Main reservoir.
But the grades on this line are...
The main reservoir?
Main reservoir is red, black is brake pipe.
Oh, on the duplex 8.
Actually, the 3rd train is just going to come out down here. Just noticed.
EP Ripley Weave,
We have a yellow light, so if you look, you can look over my shoulder when it comes
you'll
out.
see
You can
number 2
that.
coming out.
The conductor down there.
Yes, I see a conductor.
The train will be coming out.
The EP Ripley with what coaches?
Excursion.
Why are you having the same trains that ran yesterday?
Well, it's Usually they run them for a while in the same order until one needs a certain maintenance. Then
Until the Ward Campbell will
the
be
red
available?
train, actually, the red train's being repainted. It's almost done. They've been about the
Repainted?
last couple of weeks. They've been repainting it. So
Okay. The red train is the original. It was meant
Yes.
to be behind this engine.
that's right.
And the Lily Bell was meant to be behind the EP Ripley. Can you see something
Well, I don't see anything yet. I'll let you know when I see.
coming?
The conductor walked away, so I don't know. I assume they're coming out. Unless
Last
unless they're already out.
okay.
But
So
the conductor-
Irvin made the call to hold us here. We were like 10 seconds away.
I know. It's like I saw the yellow light. So
We were closing it up, and they're like, "Hey, mail aboard," and I
okay. They're
said, "Oh yeah, the rear conductor mail aboard was here right now because we're holding you."
All
Irvin
right.
made the call. Claudio's gonna have us just go because the train behind us is fast. The train in front of us is fast. But we're gonna go. From here for us.
we're gonna wait.
We're gonna wait
We're
until
gonna wait for the other train. Yeah, coming out.
the number 2 comes online.
I think it's number 2. I may be wrong, but
Maybe it's 5.
maybe it's
It
five.
was 2 yesterday with excursion.
Yeah, here it comes.
Let's see. It's 5.
It is 5.
So, okay, 2 was pulling yesterday. 2 needs the rest.
He was just saying 2 was pulling yesterday, 5's pulling today. Very observant. The engine.
The engine. I say
Yeah,
engine.
number 2 was pulling the excursion yesterday.
What, have you been here yesterday? So, 1 is the only tender ride engine available today.
That is correct, yes.
Last time I was here, I got a ride on 2. This is my first time at the Holiday.
Okay.
I understand that he's going on a refurbishment once number 4 comes back.
Yeah, sometime in the fall probably.
Okay.
don't
Will
know.
she get a new boiler?
I think so, yeah.
Because she's the only one to have the original boiler on her. Another difference between the Holiday and the Ripley is that the Holiday has a water glass on the engineer side and the Ripley doesn't.
That's true.
Out of all locomotives, the Ripley is the only one with a water glass on the fireman side.
That's right. All the other ones have 2 water glasses.
So,
We'll
do
wait.
when you adjust the fuel valve and the atomizer, do you do it immediately when he pulls the throttle or a few minutes before it happens?
Usually a little bit before. As soon as I realize that the conductors are going to give us
There's
a
a
roll
no-
aboard, I watch them, and I'll try to get it up. Depends on what my pressure is, you know.
It's getting low right now.
Yeah, it's okay. Because we're going to wait for that train to leave Tomorrowland
I know.
Station, so it'll be a little
When you
while yet.
go, if the engineer will be very little bit, the draft from the exhaust will help you bring it back. I understand that when you are moving,
It's creeping up a little bit, so it'll be
okay.
okay.
When you are moving, the blower can be turned off because the exhaust will pull a lot of
Right,
draft.
exactly.
I have experienced it on a simulator. It's a lot more powerful than the blower.
Okay.
Is it correct? Or the blower is more powerful here?
Yeah, we don't go very fast, so we don't really play with the blower very much.
You don't play a lot with the blower?
I don't, but some guys do. They
Okay.
turn it down or turn it up, but
I understand.
generally speaking, we don't go very fast, so it doesn't make a whole lot of difference.
So I usually turn it off when I start moving.
Yeah, you can do that, but
But you will forget it when you approach the station.
that's right. then you'll start smoking.
It's coming back, I can see.
Yeah, it's creeping up just a little bit, so it should be okay by the time we're ready to go. Might be up to 30, 30, 35. Pretty good.
So when you have to build up steam, you shut excessive things or increase the fire?
Just increase the fire.
Okay, just then by putting in more fuel and more atomizer.
Both.
Because if there won't be atomizer, the fuel will be
If I don't turn
smoking.
the atomizer up, I'll get too rich a mixture and I'll probably smoke.
What?
So
Okay,
you have to do both.
understand. Atomizer does. The Campbell is already on the line, so they're gonna set the switch for us. And then we'll leave. Can I have access to the Roundhouse during magic morning?
They don't have tours of the Roundhouse. No.
No entrance to anyone?
No.
I have a book which was written by a visitor who hadn't been there.
Well, they have something called, I haven't seen it for a while, something called Adventures by Disney, where they go backstage in a lot of areas and they stop by the Roundhouse very quickly.
Okay.
But,
No, he has
they
been
didn't-
there, he watched the trains firing up. It
Yeah,
was
well, usually we have a train sitting outside ready to go. Usually the third train, and that's where they give a little talk.
Yes, when they are waiting for the parade, you can see exactly what happens there.
Yeah. But we don't have tours as such. That's,
Too much.
well, I
That's,
don't know why, they just don't.
No, I also don't know why, but I think it's. But at least you get cab rides, which is fun.
In Florida, they give a Roundhouse tour, but they don't give cab rides, so we give cab rides.
But who has around those tours but no cab rides?
How's that?
What did you say?
Florida, in Disney
In,
World,
Walt
they
Disney
don't
World?
give cab rides.
But so it's not as fun as here. They have full size, but they prevent people from sitting inside.
Yeah.
You needed more atomizer?
I'm going to turn it down a little bit.
I think that we are ready.
Almost
With
ready
the
to go.
steam.
Then this light changes and they get a light out there.
You know, we have a yellow. I think that the signal on the back head was recently installed. Last time I've seen in YouTube videos, the signal was on the wall.
That's right. We have one over there also. We have,
I know.
We have two now.
Why did you change it? So
Why did we change
the
it, Norm?
so the fireman will see.
So the fireman can see it easy. It's not easy for the fireman to see on that side. Especially some of the engines, it's blocked by pipes and things. So both of us can see the signal.
2 eyes are better than one.
What?
4 eyes.
Okay.
2 sets of eyes.
So what is your favorite role, the fireman or the engineer?
Yeah,
I
think
can
we both
see
like
you.
to be engineer more than fireman.
No, I know you certainly get engineer.
Especially if it's really hot, you'd rather be over there.
Okay.
Both
I
sides are good.
Can see. Here it's better to be fireman than on other places. They always shovel coal,
That's right.
which is a
think
little
if-
hard work.
I think if we were shoveling coal here, we wouldn't be here, right, Norm?
Right. You like biodiesel, you too. But I like it too. It's much easier and doesn't take a lot of time to build a fire. And it's green. Something that can keep steam running.
Something in wet.
That can keep steam running here. It's greener than a diesel.
Lots of wood too.
But what did you say?
That's clean.
Yes, it's clean. So it can keep steam running here.
Biodiesel is about the cleanest right now we got.
Boy, it's taking a long time. Huh? It's taking a long time now.
Yes, that's a very long time. Last
They have
trip
to
I
get
also had a delay at
They have
toontown.
to get the train signed off by the lead conductor.
No,
before
you
they
have
can
to.
load
But
guests.
you have to wait for the reconductor to ring his e-bell
Well, he's got to sign off the train before they can load guests. So
with the reconductor. He needs to allow guests.
yeah, he's got to sign it off.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on.
But where is the steepest grade on this line?
Going up into Toontown tunnel.
Before
It's not
toontown,
very
near
steep, though.
near the jamboree.
Yeah, it's not that. It used to be steeper. They redid the track a few years ago.
It's
So it's maybe a quarter.
moderate.
Maybe a quarter of a percent. It's not much
You
at all.
the engines don't feel it anymore.
Well, the engine feels it. Yeah, the engine knows it's
I
there.
know.
But
If it
we're going to
was,
slow down into Toontown anyway, so
and so you don't pull the throttle and Johnson bar up.
not very hard.
Okay. So, but there is another uphill area in the park.
Not really. There's a little bit of downgrading going into Tomorrowland.
Before
The
Tomorrowland.
rest of it's pretty flat.
Okay. Very moderate, easy line.
Yeah.
And the line I have in the simulator, one half of it is uphill, the other half is downhill. But the areas near the terminals are moderate. So this is an easy line with easy engines, right?
Yeah.
Fun.
They're taking a little longer than usual.
Well, I'll say a lot.
Wait, that's really a lot. Last time that I've been here, it was in 2009. I went on the EP Ripley and
I don't know what's going on. It's really too much for the same with it.
they had to wait.
Going over to Perkin. They don't know. They're not loading against the car right now.
Okay.
But it took a while for something. I didn't hear what was going on.
They just departed, so we'll be leaving.
What did the conductor say?
He said they just know what took so long, but they're just departing down there now.
They are just boarding now?
They're leaving, so
Ah, okay.
we're going to be leaving here in a second.
Time to go?
We're going to bring like
No. You like the single chime here? Or the three chime on number two?
This is a 2 chime.
Okay, but this is a single chime?
No, 2.
Two? Okay. Here it's a 2 chime on on engines 2 and 3.
I think
It's
so,
3
yeah.
chime, and on the Campbell it's the same.
So you know where the Roundhouse is, right?
Yes, I know where it is. Between toontown. Here, just in the next crossing.
Right at the crossing here.
But this is the other uphill.
What?
This is the other uphill, or it is somewhere else?
The other what?
The other uphill grade.
Oh, this is down a little bit. Twice not having guessed them, right? I think they didn't load it with gas. The train was sitting here forever and they never got on.
What was this beep?
Well, it's a low water alarm.
Oh, water alarm, you have to be careful.
The water sloshing back and forth.
Always watch out for the water glass, otherwise it will become very dangerous.
This thing right here. The water's sloshing, so it just kind of does.
I know, it's sloshing whenever you move.
Yeah, well,
and the
we
pressure
stopped.
is back to where it was before.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not on now. It comes on and stays on, then we're in trouble. I got almost 2 nuts of water.
2 nuts is half boiler. 2 nuts is half full.
Yeah, we want to keep it around
2 nuts.
a nut and a half to 2 nuts. Right about there.
2 nuts is the place. It's,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
understand. 1 nut is dangerous. 2
1
is
nut's
okay.
yeah.
3, 4, and 5 cannot generate enough steam.
Well, you get too much. It's just too high. Too much.
I know it will pull over.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Either it is can damage the train.
That's right. You do know a lot.
Thank you. I have the book Welcome Aboard the Disneyland Railroad by
you
Steve
do?
DeGateno. This is where I read a lot about how the line operates. And I also drive.
Book, they didn't have, in his book, they didn't have the low water sensor.
Okay, he told us about the sonar powered low water alarm. They didn't have the cab signal when they wrote it. I understand now there are 10 blocks and not 11.
When we redid the track and put heavier rail in, they redid the block system.
They redid the block and they make 10. So it's the whole diorama tunnel that we are going through now will be 1 block and not
That's
2.
right. There was a block in the middle of the tunnel. There isn't any.
With where it is very dangerous because you can't set the fire alarm.
Yeah. Well, it was always green ever since it was there, but it was always green, so it didn't really mean anything.
Okay. Yes, I was told it had green and yellow.
Yeah, it had a possibility to go yellow, but whenever I never saw it yellow. It was always green.
Okay, when did you join the Disney Railroad
I've been here
crew?
almost 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
The World Campbell is at Main Street.
That's right.
So it will be, so we'll have to go slow. This is where the speed limit is low because of the speed.
Yeah.
What's the fastest you go around the track?
What's the fastest we can go?
The fastest speed limit on the track.
17 feet per
17?
second.
Where? Between Frontierland and Toontown?
Yeah, going into along the river we call it.
Okay. Here the limit is about 5, right?
Everywhere else is 12, except in here you're lower because we gotta match the speed.
Okay, I understand.
Only do about 5 or 6 in here.
I see we are at 6 right now according to the
Each engine's a
speedometer.
little different, but right around 5 or 6.
Okay. If you are trained to be engineer, is it a possibility that you go back to fireman like right now?
Well, we're both engineers.
So why are you the fireman?
Well, I mean, because he's got seniority and he's running things. But besides that, we're giving their lunch breaks and the breaks today. So next
break?
week we
You're
got
the
a break behind us. I'll sit over there and he'll sit over here.
Okay.
We train.
So you're the break.
Blue yellow one.
Green, you are turning it, reducing it before the station, right? So you have
Up at the top. All right, we're back.
thank you.